So here we see the results of our experiment. On the right is the cold ocean water. And you can see there is a nice bit of a snowfall. As the snowfall is fairly light, observed in earlier part of this video, because there was not a lot of moisture evaporating off of here, as the water was fairly cold. However, what snow did fall managed to stay around fairly effectively. Now when we move to the center one, which had the room temperature water, we can see that we get warmer water leads to higher rates of evaporation, and where the dry ice was, we have higher rates of snowfall there. And we have higher rates of snow sticking on the ground. Now, as we saw towards the end of the earlier, on the left, this was the hot water, and we can see that there's not well, it snowed quite heavily next to the ocean of hot water. That snow rapidly melted. And so we do not see a lot of snow accumulating on the leftmost dish, even though we saw quite heavy snowfall compared to the other two. And what you're seeing here is a little sort of simplified model of how a warming planet will distribute precipitation, with the cold planet being relatively dry. As the planet warms up, yes, you will see more snowfall in places where snow can stick to the ground, and heavier individual events. But as your planet gets warmer, less and less of that snow will stick around, or, if it gets warm enough, fall as snow in the first place. And so this was my response to the great question that is often asked: how can you have heavy snowfall events if the planet is warming? And the answer is simple. A warming planet will have warmer oceans, which will produce more water into the atmosphere, and that increased atmospheric moisture will fall as snow in regions that remain cold enough for snow to fall.